Becoming a market leader means optimizing efficiency while satisfying customer demands for B2C capabilities, such as self-service on their preferred channel. It's especially challenging with complex custom products. How do you communicate all the available options clearly? How do you get error-free sales proposals out quickly? How can you help ensure that you build products efficiently and accurately? While there are many CPQ products, Epicor CPQ is the only one-stop solution formulated and built in-house that automates every step in the sales to manufacturing process. From configuring, pricing, and quoting products to generating documentation and controlling machines on the shop floor, we help provide accurate, visually immersive buying experiences with game-quality graphics in 2D, 3D, AR, and VR, as well as productized integration with CAD generation systems. We use a no-low-code rule engine that's easy for administrators to understand. Your business can automate engineering and your shop floor through rules, workflows, CAD, and document automation without substantial custom coding or template constraints. With Epicor CPQ, your customers, sales reps, and distributors can self-serve from any device or location, configuring products just the way they want, while you rest easy knowing their creations adhere to your manufacturing rules. To seamlessly integrate all of your business systems, we can push and pull data from your ERP, your CRM, or even a custom tool using REST web services, pre-built configurations, and middleware. Unlike other CPQ solutions, Epicor CPQ leverages the performance, scalability, and security of the Microsoft Azure platform. Our solution is completely cloud-based, with all deployments on the cloud since 2009. At Epicor, we firmly believe customer success is best achieved by collaboration with our partners. That's why Epicor CPQ partners are leading software vendors and implementation experts around the world, helping us provide a true end-to-end solution for our customers. When you evaluate vendors, follow these best practices. Request demos, pay careful attention to integrations or third-party reliance, and ask what their solution looks like for admins. Evaluate how well their solutions can handle transactions with many lines. Join more than 538,000 monthly users in 36 countries who trust us and the Epicor CPQ solution to help their businesses thrive.